Very pleasant morning to one and all. So I hope some 80 students have joined. Few more to join. So I request all the students to inform your friends and ask them to join here in the YouTube live. So I thought I can start now. So good morning one and all. I'm Ilangovan. I'm taking care of the corporate relations of our college. People who don't know, I just introduced myself. So this particular session is arranged for you to give an announcement, about a personality development course through Unacademy. It is a 1-month course. So I cannot say that it is only for placements. So that is why we named it as personality development course. So even if you are going to higher studies, you're going for looking after your business or whatever, if you want to get placed in an IT company, core company, any kind of such things. Or even if you are going to lead your life just this. That is, for girls, they'll be going as a housewives. So whatever may be the thing, the personality development is really required. So what about this personality development? The same numerical ability, logical reasoning, and verbal ability, I would say. So how it could change the personality? Of course. So the major skill set, what you need in your life is decision-making skill, problem-solving skill, each and every day to lead a normal life with a safer life. You need to make decisions. You need to solve some problems. It will come across you all the days. Throughout your lifetime, all these things are required. So those things can be done by getting practiced into the various numerical ability training and your logical reasoning skills. Okay. So with this, let me want to give a few statistics about the placements. So this is the simple statistics as on date for 2021 batch. Another 1.5 months to go. So till the end of May or mid of May, we'll be doing companies, and the recruitments will happen, may happen, kind of things. So the total offers so far given to the 2021 batch, that is the current final year batches, 206, and number of students placed is 191, including the previous company Focus Edumatics results. I'm yet to get the name list, but the count I have got it. So with that count I have added. So number of students placed is 191, and number of students placed in core companies is 104. So core companies means it will include IT and the hardcore company of the respective department. Number of companies recruited, it is 34. There is 34 on-campus, off-campus, virtual campus kind of thing we have done. The highest salary by the students is 5 lakhs per annum, and the average salary put together for all the 206 offers we have made. So that average salary is 2 lakhs per annum. So I think we have reached very little step. So long way to go. So specifically for second years, since a lot of all of second years here. So how it can be taken, these statistics? Why? What is the necessity of informing the statistics to a second year student? Is the awareness. What kind of things are prevailing in the institution and how we are going to make ourselves ready. So I always say to a first year student when they are in second semester, at the time of second semester, you have to start preparing for your future. I'm not saying it as placements, it is for your future or your career, I will say. As far as career is concerned, how to prepare, sir? So this question always people will ask me. So as far as the second semester student, I will normally inform them to prepare for two different competitive exams. One is GATE examination. It is Graduate Aptitude Test for Engineers. So GATE examination. And the second one you need to do is GRE. GRE. So Graduate Record Examination. So as far as these two things are concerned, one is a technical thing, that is GATE examination. You will reduce the other deviations and concentrate only in the academics. So if that is there, then GATE examination we can really do, right? Once the GATE examination, what is the purpose of GATE examination means? Once you got some GATE score, you will get into any public sector undertaking companies that is governed by government. That is, major shares of those companies are with government. So you will be settled down with minimum 45,000 at the start. Okay. So this is one. So if you are preparing for your GATE examination, how it is going to help your employment? Yes, one is you will be get settled in a government companies, or else it will be really useful for hardcore companies like Bosch, your Renault, Nissan, any civil companies, whatever may be. So that is one thing as far as GATE is concerned. The second one is GRE. As far as GRE is concerned, Graduate Record Examination, that is used actually for getting yourself, how it is going to help your employment. Yes, one is you will be getting settled in the government companies. So as far as Graduate Record Examination is concerned, that examination will help you to get into MS at abroad. MS at abroad. So MS at abroad, I'm not interested. It will have include lot of financials involved. All those things are fine. If you started preparing for Graduate Record Examination, that is actually for MBA. That is all these things, whatever I'm saying, numerical ability, verbal ability, and your logical reasoning. So all those things will be prepared there. So there is one thing called Barron's Guide for GRE. So if you started preparing for Barron's, that is GRE, then any kind of company placements, be it a core company, be it an IT company, as far as TCS is concerned, TCS Digital is there, TCS Ninja is there. TCS Digital, you will be getting 8 lakhs per annum. That is the package. So all those things you can easily get into, apart from your regular preparation and your regular subjects. So this is what I wanted to say for a second year student. Even now, You are at 4th semester. Now, if you start preparing for both GATE and the GRE, please be sincere with these two preparation. Surely, when you are reaching at your final year, surely you will get placed in a very good company. And I want to increase this average salary to this highest salary when you are coming in the final year. So apart from this preparation of GATE and GRE, one more thing I will say, during your third years, when you're in third year, please do at least 4 to 5 projects. It should not be a mini project kind of fun projects and all you should not do. So go for some real-time projects, identify few projects, and the better projects if you do, then at the end of third year, you should have completed at least 4 to 5 projects. So this is the mantra for getting selected for 5 lakhs per annum package. It is very easy to get into it. Only thing is the persistent, continuous preparation, and your unconscious mind should be with your career. What I am going to be after 2 years. When I am in 2023 June month, where I am going to get settled. You please ask these questions to you continuously. Then automatically everything will happen. So with this, I'm just getting into the other thing. I always say this ASK triangle in whomever audience I'm addressing. So this ASK triangle is nothing but attitude, skill, knowledge. So this knowledge, this is a ASK triangle. So knowledge is contributing to your success. Here your success will be. So if you want to reach the top position, that is success, then the basic thing should be the knowledge. 15% of your success is contributed by your knowledge. Whatever you are into, the knowledge about that. If you want to get into MS at abroad, then knowledge about that MS. What are the courses which is available? Which university you are looking for? So all those things about that knowledge is required. As far as the personality development is concerned, what is my attributes, required attributes? Then about that knowledge, 15% of the knowledge should be there. So that will contribute to your success. And the second thing what is required is skill sets. I'm coming from the last, knowledge, then skill set. So these are the various skill sets you should have. So as far as communication, we say LSRW, we will say. Even in your first year technical English, you would have studied. So listening, speaking, reading and writing, all these skills are required. It may not be particular to only English language. Whatever language you are going to communicate, even it is sign language, you should know all this LSRW. Even it is sign language, LSRW is very much required there. Okay, so the listening skills should be there. You have to listen whatever others say so that you can get the complete content, and after that you can understand things. Once you listen properly, you can understand things. Then if you mull it over and if you could able to implement whatever you have listened, that's it. You can reach the top. Right. Then questioning skills are required. How to question? As far as the interview is concerned, it is not only the interviewer have to ask the question and the interviewee should answer. So always you should also ask few questions to the interviewer, but we should know what to ask, when to ask, how to ask. So if that skill sets you have developed, then it is really good. Then automatically this communication, responsive skill, how to respond. It's very much required. So people, when during the online classes I have seen, and I always say, So whenever a teacher is asking a question, always you will get yes sir or no sir. But we don't know what for you are saying this yes sir or no sir. Whether you have understood, people say that yes sir. Why can't you write it as understood sir? And I could able to understand this particular concept. Then it is very clear. You have understood it clear. That is why you're using that keywords. So that is what I will say, right? Okay. So this is what the skill sets and attitude. Could you able to see this ASK triangle in YouTube? I think it will be changed now. Okay, then coming to this attitude. As far as attitude is concerned, we'll be having integrity, hard work, commitment, mature, positive attitude, sensitive, emotionally stable, non-judgmental, enthusiastic, and empathy. So all this attitude is required. So I would say skill sets will have 30%. The remaining 55% is about attitude. If the attitude is good, we can really get it. Okay. So next, the attributes expected from candidates by any corporates is decision-making skill, problem-solving skill, communication skill, and you are supposed to be goal-oriented, and you should be smart thinking. These are few. What just I got in my mind, I just gave it here. Okay. The most important thing I wanted to discuss here is the recruitment process. How we are doing the recruitment process as far as JIT is concerned, and what are all the process involved by the companies for recruiting you. Right. So the first process is the job opportunities will be announced to you through your faculty placement coordinators, either through WhatsApp or through mail, whatever it is comfortable to you. So the placement coordinator will be announcing the job opportunities to you, and you will be asked to give your willingness. So the JD, we call it as JD. JD is nothing but job description. The job description of the company, which will include what will be your job role, what will be your designation, what is the salary package you will be getting, and when to join, and what are all the recruitment process. So all those things will be available in job description. So the announcement of job opportunity will be having the job description. So you have to go through the website of the company, job description, whatever it is given, including your job location, everything. So suppose if it is not mentioned for few companies, you can very well check with the placement coordinators, the faculty coordinator. So after checking all those things, and that is what I've told, mind the website, information from all your well-wishers, I will say, be it your parents, your uncle, your relatives, or your friends, whomever is working in that field, something like that, and take a decision very clearly and give your willingness. So this always I will say, எப்பொருள் யார் யார் வாய் கேட்பினும் அப்பொருள் மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பது அறிவு. The thing is, you can get all these inputs from all, but you have to decide, take a decision, and once the decision is made, that is called arivu. If you have to apply your knowledge and inputs, and based on that you have to take a decision, and after making the decision, you should not change. You should not change. Okay, so the job location, time of joining, everything you have to get it. So most of the companies are asking for immediate joining. When you are in 8th semester, we will allow you to join itself to the company. So during that time, you should not say that, sir, I thought I can join after the 8th semester, sir, exams are over. I'm missing my friendship, sir. The last semester I have to get along with my friends. I have to spend with my friends. Nothing doing, my dear friends. The friendship is, the real friendship is, you have to allow the students to, their friends to go and work there, and from there he will gain some knowledge, and that knowledge you will be getting very easily, so that you will get your upliftment. So that is called real friendship, I will say, right? So the second process is giving willingness. Why I am giving more importance on this process is, people are not knowing all these things, and people are really giving a lot of pain to us, to yourself itself. So after going out of college, people are saying, sir, I didn't listen to you, sir. I should have joined there, sir. All those things will come. So that is why I'm saying all these things now. So these two are before, prior to the placement date, and the date of recruitment process, you will be having all these things. Pre-placement talk, that is called PPT. So in pre-placement talk, the company will come and say about the company and what job role you are, that is the job description, whatever job description we have given, that will be explained by the company. And the second process on the date is written test. Nowadays it is virtual also. We are having online test also. So written test or online test, mostly we'll be having this numerical, reasoning and verbal. If it is hardcore companies, they will be having technical content. If it is electrical, then technical questions about electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, computer science, mechanical, civil, all those things. Technical content will be there. That is, questions will be there. And most of them are having coding questions also. If it is a software company, ITES companies, then you'll be having group discussion. So some of the companies will get into this group discussion when the count is more, to filter them out. If more people got shortlisted in written test, to shortlist further, they'll be checking your communication skill. As far as the group discussion is concerned, your communication skill will be really good. Your debating skill should be there. So whatever title it is given, whatever topic it is given, so you should at least have 10 to 15 points supporting the point, or supporting the title, and 10 to 15 points or facts which is opposing the same title. So now onwards, please have a group amongst you and take some title, any title, kind of lockdown, whether it is a boon or ban, how we have utilized the lockdown period. So how much it is useful. So supporting that, you should have 15 to 20 points. Opposing that, you should have 15 to 20 points. So if the count is less, then they may skip this group discussion. They will directly go for technical interview. As far as the technical interview is concerned, your resume speaks very well. So you have to know how to prepare your resume in a proper way, right? And after that, if you get shortlisted there, then you will be into HR interview. So there you will be getting questions like that: introduce yourself, why should I hire you, and what you will contribute when you are hired into the company. So all those kind of basic questions, so that your mental stability, your inner feelings, your psychometry stability, everything will be checked in the HR interview. Once that is done, your offer letter will be released either on the same day or after they reach their company. Within a week or within a month's time, they will be sending your offer letter, and you are supposed to give your acceptance in writing, and you have to sign the offer letter, acceptance sign, and you have to scan it and send it back to the company, either through the college or directly to the company. And after that, in the month of June or whatever the date of joining, you will be given a call letter or mail nowadays, and you have to join your career and you have to enjoy. I say it is not employment, it is career. So you have to choose not the job, your career. Okay. So this is all about the recruitment process which is happening. Right. Now coming to this announcement. So I hope everybody knows or heard about Unacademy. So Unacademy is an online portal which is doing live classes, recorded classes. There is courses. A lot of video courses are there. So we have tied up with Unacademy now. They have accepted to give a personality development training to our students, specifically to our students. So the timing for the same is daily it is 9:30 to 11 o'clock. So I hope you are having a class by the same session 9:50 to 10:40. This classes will be cancelled, and instead of that you'll be having the training, that is a personality development training program. Okay, so it is 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. And after that, the second online session 11:40 to 12:55, it will continue as it is. If there is any change in the timetable, it will be informed to you by the respective departments in a proper way. I hope there will not be any change. If at all, if there is any change in the timetable which is prevailing, it will be clearly circulated to you. And this particular program will start from 16th of March. That is from coming Tuesday. So from coming Tuesday, 9:30 a.m. you have to join. The first offline classes will not be there. That is till 9 to 9:30 you'll be doing your offline classes. And 9:30 you have to sharply join to this class. So 16th March onwards, and it is a 1 month duration. Probably till 15th of April it will go. That is just before you are coming to the college. Till then it will go on, right? And this will have this particular program will start. So this will go till 15th April approximately, and daily the classes will be there, including Sundays. So Sunday also you have to attend this 1.5 hours. So for your life, can you able to spend 1.5 hours? So I think it is very less. As far as you are in fourth semester, the next 1 year, the complete third year, you have to be mad with your placement training. You have to be mad. I'm making the same statement. Okay, so 9:30 to 11. Okay, including Sundays. I request all your cooperation in this, so you can really do it. And 3 days or 4 days you will be having numerical ability, and the other 3 days you will be having logical reasoning. So these are the topics will be covered completely. It will be covered, so that when you complete this 1 month course, then automatically you can your level of understanding, your level of thinking will surely get doubled or tripled, and you will be ready for the other assessments. And after that, when you are coming into the college, you will not be having this placement classes, but even after that you have to completely practice at least 1.5 hours to 2 hours. You have to practice all these topics, right? And you will be getting a weekly assessment by the Unacademy, and the marks or scores will be accumulated. By the end of the course, the top scorers will be given some cash prize by Unacademy itself. That is one. And all the participants who have all attended all the classes will get a participation certificate from Masters Academy, which is nothing but a part of Unacademy, right? So this Masters Academy is meant for these kind of courses actually. So you are supposed to download Unacademy app and you have to install. You have to install, and a video will be posted in a WhatsApp group. A WhatsApp group link will be given to all of you after the session. That is by 12:30, 12:40, you will be getting the link, WhatsApp group link, that is invite link. Please join. All the second year students should join in the second year group. So tomorrow you will be getting a video from Unacademy trainer, which will explain how to download the Unacademy app and how to download it, and how to install it, and how to give your username. The display name, what you have to use is, suppose if I am Ilangovan studying in third year mechanical, you have to give your display name as Ilangovan _ Roman letter 3 _ MECH _ A section or B section, that is A or B. For CSC and EC, I think you have A and B section. So you have to give the display name like this. So you have to join the WhatsApp group. The invite will be shared to you by this evening. Before this night, you have to join in this in that WhatsApp group. So, and a video will be given to you by tomorrow. So you have to follow that video and install the Unacademy thing in that. So all the second years and third years put together simultaneously, you will be attending this personality development sessions. Okay. The attendance, whomever have attended, please inform to the absentees. A lot of people, about 40% of the students have not come. Please inform, share all these informations to your friends, and suppose if you could not able to share it properly, please share the same link to the friends and ask them to watch it again. So this will be recorded and available for continuously. Whenever you want, you can come and check this. Whatever instructions I have given, you can easily able to get it. So that is all from my side. If there is any other clarifications, or if suppose if I missed something, I request any of the professors who are here can share it. If there is any other questions from the student side, please give it in the chat window, that is in your YouTube chat, so that I can address it. If there is any clarifications, suggestions, whatever may be, I'm welcome. So this another 5 to 10 minutes is for discussion. If there is any discussion to be done, I'm ready to do it. Yes, any clarifications? No, sir. Okay, sir. If there is any suggestions also, you can make. This 1 month continuously, please be on this. In the subconscious mind, your logical thinking should work. That logical thinking skill will really help you to be better in your analytical papers, whatever analytical papers you have got. So this analytical thinking skills will improve the analytical skills also. And few of the computer science students, ECE students, the maximum students are in this drop internship. So as far as drop internship is concerned, I have requested Mr. Vishnu BG, whomever is interns, and this message is for you. So I have spoke and got permission from Mr. Vishnu BG, your from drop. they have accepted to leave you this 1.5 hours. So you have to join whenever it has to be joined, and you have to continue till 9:30. So 9:30 you can leave from Microsoft Teams and you can join this Unacademy portal very well. And this 1.5 hours you can be with this and you can get trained. And soon after this 11 o'clock, you have to again get into your regular work, right? So that is the clarification regarding interns. I have got some question, Bala Santosh, regarding GATE score. Give us details about how long we can use the score for applying for job. So the validity of GATE score is 2 years, I believe. 2 years, whatever scorecard you have got, the next 2 years you can use it. Thank you, Bala Santosh, for showing interest on this. Which type of questions asked in GRT? I think it is not GRT, it is GRE, Graduate Record Examination. You will have numerical ability, your logical reasoning, your verbal ability, and apart from that, verbal ability includes all this vocabulary and other things. Only these things. So that will check your decision-making skill, logical thinking skill. So that is the purpose of GRE. Reason for conducting this session in YouTube. I think I have already mentioned this. The thing is, people may not listen properly, and after that they will get a lot of doubts. So if it is recorded and available in YouTube, people may come anytime and they can verify, suppose what are the topics, what is the recruitment process. If they may not note down, that is a problem with our kids nowadays. New generation students are having like that. That is why I made it available in YouTube, so that people may come and check at any point of time for any clarification. If at all any other doubts are continued, you can very well reach me. I'm happy to answer. I hope I have answered your questions. Any other clarifications, please? Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you, Velayutham sir. So this internship is only for 3rd years. We are in 2nd years. I'm sorry. Thanks for correcting me, sir. Any other questions? Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Krishna. Is CAT valid for MBA within India, sir? Yes, my dear friend. Who is this? Renuka. Yes, CAT only for IIMs, Indian Institute of Management Studies, CAT, MAT, all those things. So if you want to get MS at abroad, you have to go for GRE, IELTS. Both are required for the Western countries. Next, what are the other coaching program offered by Unacademy? You can lot of courses are there in Unacademy. You can just browse through. All kind of programs are there, and you can check with the Unacademy portal itself. It's all available. We have a lot of courses like this: Coursera, edX. It's all international level portal where they are giving top level kind of delivery. Thank you, Bala Santosh, for the question. Stephen Rio, no sir. Okay. So any other clarification? If there is no doubt, I think it's time to close. I would like to thank all the heads of the departments, the faculty coordinator, the displacement coordinators, the faculty advisors of the classes, who put in a lot of efforts in bringing out all the students, bringing in all the students to this session. I hope this session I have made something useful to you. Is language test is compulsory for abroad jobs, sir? Yes, that is what I told it as IELTS. IELTS is English language test. So we have that IELTS for that. Okay. So even otherwise, you can give it in comment. I can respond to you then and there. So I think it is time to close this session. Thank you, Balasantosh. I really appreciate your interest in the higher studies or whatever may be. Right. So even I insist, both GATE examination and GRE examination you have to prepare parallelly so that it will be really useful to decide your career. So with that positive note, I thank everyone. Thank you so much. I thank all the people, and special thanks to Mr. Vijay Raghavan and Heyram. They have helped me technically to make this happen. Thank you.